How to connect with verified members on Intellinz. Go to Explore page and select an opportunity that you are interested in. Click on the opportunity and you will see the description and details of the business. Scroll to the bottom and click on Due Diligence Report if you wish to request for one about the company. This action requires at least 120 credits, so do purchase credits if your credits are running low. When you first register for an Intellinz account, you will be under the free package. However, we strongly recommend you to purchase the monthly package, which costs $36 per month in order to enjoy better deals and business insights. Next, you can click on View Profile and the other party will receive a notification, which indicates to them that you are interested in their business and will like to connect. You can also engage in a conversation with them by using our chat function. Last but not least, feel free to arrange for a video call with your potential business partners. Thank you for watching. We hope that now you have learned how to connect with other opportunities.